This is a Master Pro Series 7045. I haven't figured out how to rake this. I think because it has the heavier anti-bump springs that might be messing me up, but I'm not really sure. If I do figure out how to rake it, I'll put it on video, but I just wanted to get a quick video if I could. I'm going to use the Multipick 1mm turning tool in the top of the keyway, and then just the Multipick standard hook in 0.4 or 15 thousandths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two, and then I just had to push 2 up a little bit higher and it opened it up. Let me see if I can, there we go, now it's open.